you love cake and you love apples, you are in for a real treat. Today I'm going to show you the ultimate recipe that brings both together in most delicious way. This apple cake is soft, moist, and bursting with fresh apple flavor. The perfect combo for dessert lovers and apple fans. Lovelies, let's get baking. Those are the apples I'll be using here. They are very clean. I've washed them thoroughly. After that, it needs to be peeled. All right, that's what I'm doing now. I'm going to peel it and make sure everything is well clean. I will use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much to all my followers. I appreciate you all so much. If today is your first time on this channel, I'm saying welcome to you. Thank you so much for coming to Tolulicious Kitchen. Please hit your subscribe button, hit your follow button, and let's enjoy together. So after peeling it, please take any rotten part of the apple, just like this. Take it away. They don't have to be among what we are using now. So it's now time to core the apples. Okay, I'm going to cut it like this. It has to be seed free. Lovely, feel free to use any kind of apples that is available. All right, so after that I'm going to dice those apples one after the other until I'm through with them all. So it's now time to be transferred into a bowl. That's the bowl I'm going to use for mixing everything. That is what I have here. So into the diced apple, I'm going to add fresh eggs. Please check the description box or the comment section. You will find the recipe list there. Okay, and I'm going to add vegetable oil. Feel free to use melted butter if you don't want to use vegetable oil. And into this, I'm going to add sugar. That's the white sugar. Granulated sugar is what I'm pouring into it now. And I'm also going to add brown sugar. You will love the texture if you use this both combo, granulated and brown sugar. So lovelies, into this I'm going to add just a pinch of salt. You know, the combo of salt and sugar, yummy. I'll be adding cinnamon into this as well. After adding the cinnamon powder into it, I'm going to add milk into this. Feel free to use any kind of milk you like. It can be low fat milk, it can be lactose free milk. All right, so after adding milk into it, I'm going to go ahead now and add the all purpose flour. That is what I've just poured into it now. So it's now time to also add baking powder. After adding the baking powder, just get your spatula or you get your hands well washed. Okay, you can also mix this with your hand. You don't need any mixer for this, not at all. Okay, a spatula is super okay, or a big spoon. Give it a mix together. This is what you're going to have. You don't need to over mix this. Like I've said, this is amazing and the texture is super. After that, I got my baking pan creamed with some butter. All right, and I transferred the butter into the baking tray, and my oven is now at 180 centigrade. All right, preheated. I'm just going to shake it together so that it will be leveled. I place it in oven for 60 minutes. Tra-la-la, lovelies, this is what it came out. For you to be very sure it is done, you can test it with your skewer, dip it into it, bring it out. It will come out clean like this. Allow it to cool down for a bit, let's say 5 to 10 minutes. This is what you're going to have. Lovelies, the aroma here is everything, so I can't even wait to eat this. So I'm going to cut it now and taste it. Lovelies, this is so simple, stress-free, perfect texture, super aroma. Let me get my spoon so that you can see how I'm going to cut it. Look at it. Don't forget to share this video so that you will have it whenever you are ready to prepare your own. Wow, this is lovely. Thank you so much for watching. See you all next time. Bye bye.